Hello friends, welcome to toothscorner.com videos. Today let's see does Psyllium Husk lower cholesterol. Psyllium derives from a herb, namely Plantago ovata, is mostly grown in all over Asia and places around it. More than 15,000 seeds are the products from the plant that further gives you Psyllium Husk. You may get different brands of psyllium in your local laxative stores at a very reasonable price. It is a boon for treating constipation, diarrhea, irritable bowel syndrome, and other intestinal problems. One of the significant concerns from the intake of husk powder is that it helps in regulating the blood sugar, lower the bad cholesterol, and thus helps in reducing the risk of all types of heart diseases. The correct dosage that you may take. People consuming a low-fat diet that may continue for several weeks along with the addition of psyllium husk powder helps in lowering 7% of LDL cholesterol. It is advisable to take 10.2 grams of psyllium-based powder every day and not cellulose-based to achieve marvelous results in the drop of the cholesterol level. Nevertheless, you must remember to consume the same 15 to 30 minutes before the meal with a glassful of water. It suggests to gradually include psyllium husk powder in your everyday diet to avoid any further complication that may arise like stomach pain, diarrhea or constipation. Furthermore, it is not only the intake of psyllium husk that reduces LDL cholesterol. It lowers the risk of heart diseases, but also you need to change your lifestyle habits that play a vital role in improving cholesterol. Thus, include fiber-rich food, fruits and vegetables, legumes with less amount of saturated fats and trans fat in your diet that may create wonders in the cholesterol level. Friends, thank you for watching our video. Please like and share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.